Well, Shillong got its taste for international football for the first time as India and Maldives walked into the hallowed ground, Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Shillong, and it started off with a bang as Sunil Chhetri found some space on the left flank, and Samu Ali, the captain of Maldives, almost scored an own goal had Sharif not been there. Mahesh couldn't capitalize on the follow-up. This was a clear indication that India was ready for the fight. 18 months on, having not won an international match under Manolo Marquez as well, they started on the right foot. And it continued as Brandon almost volleyed this through, a cross by Suresh, just couldn't get the right connection, shinned it, went wide. Listen Colasso as well, expertly trying to divert that ball. Free kick, had Sharif worried, put away from getting his first goal in international football. But then the goal eventually did come, and it was Rahul Bheke in the 35th minute who rose up and powered it through, breaking the deadlock, scoring his third goal in international colours. All three of them, interestingly, have come from corners. Assist provided by Brandon Fernandes. Cause for celebration, India's number 2. But then there were problems for Brandon. Got a knock, got injured, had to be stretchered off. India's momentum continued as Sunil Chhetri almost scored. Hamza there in the second half, clearing off the line. That was the first chance and the first big one. But then a free header for Liston Colasso, emulating his idol in his celebration and letting the world know that he scored his first ever international goal after 4 long years of waiting. A debut in 2021, goal in 2025 for Liston Colasso. India continued to press the ante, but the Maldives weren't far away. This was a chance for the substitute who had come in for the Maldives, Hassan Nazim. First few touches, and that was the only save Vishal Kaith had to make. It was pretty straightforward. As India made its grasp, Rao Mahesh Singh put in a cross, but there were no takers. It fell through towards Liston Colasso, who had time and space to pick Sunil Chhetri, who was deft in his touch. Goal number 95 for Sunil Chhetri as he makes his comeback in international colours, and it's the first win under the charge of Manolo Marquez for India, winning this match against Maldives 3-0, courtesy Rahul Bheke, Colasso, and a comeback kid in Sunil Chhetri.